Hey everyone, it's Chris Gorman with Gorman Residential and Keller Williams Preferred Realty. It's February 2023, and today I'm going to be answering some questions about what we expect to see in the real estate market as we go throughout the year. So stay tuned. All right, so as we sit here today, we've just gone through 6 months of somewhat a tumultuous time where buyers and sellers were adjusting to what rates we're going to do, what impact the rate increases we're going to have on the real estate market. So I know everybody's got kind of a short attention span, and there's a lot of things that I could say about this, but I'm going to try to condense everything into just a couple of minutes and get to the brass tacks. And what that is that as long as supply and demand remain where they are in our area, now our area is insulated, it's different from what you might hear from national headlines. We have so many people here that need a place to live. That's why if you drive around town, whether it's Holly Springs, Wake Forest, or anywhere in between, you're going to see apartments under construction just about everywhere. We just simply don't have enough places to put people. North Carolina and Raleigh in particular remains one of the highest inbound areas in the country over the last few years. So people are moving here in droves, and they need a place to live. So very, very high demand for homes. Still very low supply. One of the things that's contributing to that low supply is the interest rates. And yes, it impacts sellers too. And the reason why is because if I'm a seller at a 30-year fixed mortgage rate of, let's say, 3.5%, it's going to take something major going on in my life or something really important that I'm trying to gain by moving in order for me to leave that 3.5% interest rate and move to a higher interest rate where things are today. So as we sit here, they're hovering around 6.5. They've been up and down. We're down from the peaks of where we saw them earlier this year, late last year in the low sevens. And nobody's got the crystal ball, but most people expect that by the end of the year, we're going to be back into the fives, which is a much more comfortable rate for most people making that jump from a 3.5 mortgage to a 5.5% mortgage. So all that is to say, prices are going to remain stable. They're even expected to climb a little bit. Nothing like the 20 plus percent appreciation we saw during 2020 and 2021. Nothing like that. We're talking about maybe 4 or 5% appreciation over the course of 2023. But still, we're going up, not down. And by the way, if you look back over the last 30 years, what you're going to see is 4% average annual appreciation is normal. That's an average over the long haul. So we're just getting back to normal. Real estate's still very healthy. And the one thing I will say is the opportunity in today's market, I think, is for investors. And the reason I say that is a lot of people that are investing in real estate are doing so with cash. And so cash buyers don't really care what mortgage rates do. And so any little cool down in the market is an opportunity for investors to get into the market at potentially a lower price than they might have gotten into the market in the last 2 years. To that end, I'm going to be having an investor seminar in the month of April. We're still trying to nail down the date right now. But if investing in real estate is in your future, I would invite you to attend. There's going to be limited seating to make sure that I've got enough one-on-one time with everybody who's interested. I think we're going to keep it to about 10 people. And I'm just putting this initial feeler out there now. If this sounds like something you're interested, basically I would call it the Real Estate Investing 101. So no prior experience required, but if you are interested in learning more about investing in real estate, the risks, the rewards, what it takes to make good investment decisions, and all of the different ways that you can participate in the investment market, this is a good class for you to attend, and it's 100% free. I'm just doing it to try to further my mission of helping more people invest in real estate. So look out for that, or feel free to contact me directly, and I'll put you on a VIP list of early notifications, and make sure that you're in the loop once we get that date nailed down. So if you have any questions, look at this, 4 minutes and 45 seconds. I said I was going to try to keep it to 2 minutes. Obviously, that didn't work out. But if you have any questions about anything I've said today, or you have any interest in the investment seminar, please do reach out to me, at chris@gormanresidential.com or 919-670-3005. Thanks so much and have a great day.